Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Tina, sewing class, glad to have you here. And once again, if you have not yet subscribed, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And also hit that like button. That way YouTube will send this video out to more people, and it's a free class and we want as many people as possible who need to learn the skill to get the opportunity to learn the skill, and you'll be helping them to do so. Thank you guys in advance. Thank you so much. Alrighty, today's lesson is on the sewing machine. I know we haven't actually started using the sewing machine as yet, but it's good to go ahead and start understanding the parts and what they're used for. If any of you guys out there need this picture, the list, just send me an email and I'll send it to you, or you can reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. Alrighty guys, so if you have not yet see lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4, go ahead and do them one at a time. Practice, practice, practice. And the auxiliary videos like this one, go ahead and watch them too. There's one more that I need to do, more sewing terms, and I'm gonna put them together in a playlist so you can get all these 4 videos together. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. And I hope this is informative and is helping you. Let me know how you're doing. Ciao, ciao.